Hello, employer. Tired of the usual laborious recruitment process? Then let us do it all for you. Welcome to europa.jobs, where recruitment has never been easier. Europa.jobs is the first multi-language European platform that connects employees and employers from all industries. But we're much more than simply a portal with job ads. Here you will find everything you need to hire the best employees for your projects. We automatically match your requirements with the skills and experience of the candidates. You can immediately access best matched profiles using our easy-to-use, intuitive dashboard, also on your smartphone. Over 40,000 applications and 400,000 unique users per month, and counting. And Facebook reach in the millions with our dedicated videos and posts. 6 language versions of the portal make europa.jobs a unique online place to carry out your countrywide or international recruitments, with at least 3 more language versions to come this year. See how quick and simple it is? Just click on Employers and Recruiters, register, and get easy access to the europa.jobs recruitment toolbox. Choose the type of offer you want to add, pay for a job ad, or add it for free yourself and pay for effects only. You can quickly put up a new job offer using a comprehensive set of filters and sliders, re-edit already published ads, or use a predefined template. You may also specify if you provide accommodation, transportation, or food. Foreign candidates will love it. You can enrich your job offer with an employer branding film or a video description of the job. And you can do it for free. You can detail your requirements, choose additional promotions, and then choose the type of payment convenient for you. And then watch as all those applications come flooding in. If you're really in a hurry to pick up good hires and can't wait for new applications, move on to the Matching Candidates section. For a small fee, you will get CVs and contact details of freshly matched, available employees. Choose promotional packages to increase the visibility of your ads, and see the notification counter rising sharply. Voila! Sit back and browse the best profiles from excited and qualified candidates. Job done. And started. Europa.jobs. Recruitment without borders.